In this video, I will show you 3 businesses you need to invest in Ghana, and this is coming up. First on my list is invest in food and water production. I urge you to invest into this business because every day we eat and drink water. Everybody needs to be healthy. So if you have money and you want to venture into a business, I urge you to invest in health products. You can establish hospital or you produce medicine. Third on my list is mobile money and credit transfer. Every day people transfer money, and the easiest way to transfer money is through Momo, and people also make calls. These 3 businesses is part of everyday life. So if you want to generate income from your investment, I urge you to invest your money in the above businesses. Thank you.